I think your traditional LMS is for desk-bound learning, and learning in front of a desk is very much about knowledge transfer, transferring or providing an amount of content to be consumed. And then, there's some sort of, evaluation process of how that content has been retained. If you're considering how to develop skill and capability for someone who works with the hands, the types of practices that you need to do a good job in that space, are very, very different. You need to be in the workplace where the work is done to actually transfer the knowledge, to actually help people understand the process and sequence and methods and safe operation in those processes. And your typical LMS just isn't geared up for that. It's not geared up for the needs of the deskless worker. It's not geared up to those kind of, demonstrate, observe, coach, and those sorts of practices to actually make sure that people are developing the skills in a practical context. The way we learn practical skills is different to the way we learn knowledge, if you like. And this has been demonstrated in neuroscience. We can easily forget a document that we read the previous week, even the previous day. But practical skills, when you've learned through practice, are things that are embedded in your mind for decades. We all know that, it's very hard to forget how to learn how to ride a bike, not how to learn to ride a bike, but how to ride a bike. So developing skills in the right way through practice and observation and coaching is a massive factor in terms of the value that Cloud Assess can bring. Not just that, but the evidence of that process, and having evidence of skills developed practically, and having evidence of, people understanding a process and being able to operate a process is a huge factor in terms of, not just helping people develop skills, but really corporate responsibility in terms of looking after people to do their job effectively.